Most small business owners are missing thousands of dollars in deduction every single year. And it's not because they don't qualify, it's because they don't know which everyday expense the IRS actually allows them to write off. Did you know that your home office, your phone, even your car can be turned into tax savings if you track them the right way? In this video, we'll break down the exact areas where most business owners overlook and how to use them to lower your tax bill without adding any stress. Most business owners assume that tax savings only come from large purchases like new equipment or commercial property, but they often forget about the much smaller everyday costs that may sneak under the radar. When you overlook spending like daily or monthly spending that occur, you leave money on the table. For example, a phone bill or a few trips to meet a client or even a corner of your home all can qualify if you record your expense properly and you have it tied back to the business. And you will also need proper bookkeeping as well. The IRS uses a straightforward standard method to determine what qualifies as a deduction. Expenses must be both ordinary and necessary, and that means they're common in your field and reasonably connected to running your business. For example, a consultant buying a desk lamp for his home office qualifies for it. If you're a sales rep, tracking the miles that you drive to see a client qualifies as well. It's all about whether your expenses make sense for the work that you do. Let's do a quick breakdown with the home office deduction. With the home office deduction, you just need a dedicated space used exclusively for business. If you work from a desk in a spare bedroom, then the actual footage in that bedroom can be deducted either through a simplified allowance or the actual expense method, which is calculated using a percentage of your housing cost. The same principle applies to your phone bill. If you use your phone bill 70% for business, then you can write off 70% of your phone for business. The same goes for internet service as well. Here's a quick tip that most people often overlook. The home office deduction does not stop at your rent or your mortgage. When you document the space properly, you can apply the same percentage to utilities, internet costs, repairs, and often certain upgrades. Entrepreneurs who take the time to measure and document often unlock more savings than they expect. Even the simple expenses like replacing a broken window or paying off an electric bill can become partially deductible if that space is used for business. Once you get the basic under control, more opportunities open up. Meals and travel often seems off limit, but they can qualify when you connect it to a real business purpose and record it the proper way, and very detailed too as well. A lunch with a client or an overnight trip to a conference doesn't get treated like a personal luxury if you save your receipt and note who you met there and what business was handled. In the end, everyday expenses have the power to legally lower your tax bill by thousands of dollars. And if you record them correctly, that's a plus. The math is not complicated, but the habit of tracking decides your outcome. Once you have a system set up, whether you're using an app or a spreadsheet or you hire a professional bookkeeper like me and my team, you're going to stop losing money out on deduction, you'll be ready for tax time, and then we can go ahead and get your tax filed properly and make sure you get all the deductions that you qualify for. So paying for internet, driving to a client meeting, or a home office can work as a tax deduction when you track them correctly. The biggest win don't come from guessing, they come from keeping a mileage log, saving receipts, and also a tax professional can apply these details in ways that can match your specific tax situation. If you need help with bookkeeping or tax preparation, me and my team can definitely give you a free consultation, so click the link in bio. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thank you.